Black diamonds, especially Carbonado, are among the most mysterious and toughest natural stones on Earth. Unlike traditional diamonds, Carbonado has a porous structure and a polycrystalline composition, making it very different in appearance and behavior. Many people wonder if they can test these stones at home, one popular method being the fire test. This article explains how to safely perform a fire test at home and what results to expect when testing a suspected Carbonado black diamond. What is the fire test? The fire test involves exposing a stone to high heat, usually from a lighter or flame, and observing how it reacts. Real diamonds, including Carbonado, have extreme heat resistance and high thermal conductivity, meaning they can withstand sudden temperature changes better than most fake stones. Tools you need: a lighter or small torch, metal tweezers or pliers, a bowl of cold water, heat-resistant surface. Safety first. Always use tweezers. Never hold the stone with your fingers. Perform the test in a well-ventilated area. Keep flammable materials away. Step-by-step fire test. 1. Hold the stone securely. Use tweezers to grip the black stone firmly. 2. Apply heat. Expose the stone to a flame, lighter or torch, for about 30 to 40 seconds. And 3. Observe the reaction. A real Carbonado diamond should not crack or shatter, not melt or deform, maintain its structure. Fake stones, like glass or cubic zirconia, may crack or explode, show surface damage, lose shine or structure. 4. Optional thermal shock test. After heating, quickly drop the stone into cold water. Real Carbonado, no change. Fake stone, likely to crack or break. Why this works. Carbonado diamonds are formed under extreme pressure and temperature, possibly even from meteorite impacts. Their structure allows them to resist thermal shock better than most imitations. Pash. Important notes. This test is not 100% conclusive. Some synthetic materials can resist heat. Repeated heating can damage even real diamonds over time. For accurate results, consult a professional gemologist. Conclusion. The fire test is a simple and accessible way to get an initial idea about whether your black stone might be a real Carbonado diamond. While it's not foolproof, it can help you eliminate obvious fakes. Always combine this test with other methods for better accuracy.